I charged this lady $25 to fix her above ground sprinkler, but let me tell you the truth. This sprinkler would cost you a lot less if you were to buy the tools and materials you need in order to fix it. Remember, I show you this thing so you can save some money. Remember the secret, guys. Give me a follow, and I hope you dance while watching this video.
What's wrong with your phone, you said?
It's not charging. It's been doing it for a while now. Every time I try to charge it just won't charge.
Don't worry, I got you. Your phone is ready, sir.
Thank you. That was pretty quick.
Yeah.
Do I owe you anything?
No, you're fine.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
When a customer wants just to clean a little bit the charging port.
Who the fuck is this? Let somebody, baby mama, inside of the bed while I'm trying to
I think he has a zoo.
Who's that creeping through my
方便面真好吃。猪。
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna. I can't. Oh my god!
Check me out. Check me out. Boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom, pow.
Nobody's gonna know. Oh my god!
Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. This is our moldable glue that can fix almost anything. You have 30 minutes to shape the glue before it starts to harden, and once hardened, it can hold up to 4.4 pounds. Now you can rebuild, reattach, and replace all your broken pieces.